Well, kumusta kayo mga idol? Ang ating mapapanood sa video ito ay ang laban ni Mark Magnifico Magsayo versus Julio Ceja. Pero bago natin umpisa ng video ito, kung bago ka pa lang sa aming munting channel, huwag mo naman kalimutan mag-subscribe at pag-hit na rin sa notification bell sa all para lagi tayo updated sa bago nating i-upload tulad nito. Maraming salamat po.
So, if I win this fight, I'm sure I'm gonna win this fight.
Matapos ang kanyang matagumpay na boxing kiwi sa ilalim ng MB promotion ng pambansang kamao, walang iba kundi si Manny Pacquiao. April ng taon 2021, muling nagpakitang gilas ang ating kababayan at undefeated prospect na si Mark Magnifico Magsayo matapos nitong durugin sa kanilang bakbakan ang American fighter na si Pablo Cruz by 4th round referee stoppage. Kaya naman matapos ang dalawang sunod na agresibong panalo ng tubong Tagbilaran City Bohol, natupad ang kanyang pangarap na mapabilang sa undercard ni Manny Pacquiao, kung saan sinagupan nito ang palabang Mexican fighter na si Julio Ceja.
Good hook and down goes Ruiz!
Isang dating Latin bantamweight at WBC super bantamweight champion na may agresibong professional boxing record na 32 wins, 4 losses at 28 wins by way of knockout. Taglay ni Ceja ang kontra kay Magsayo ang 70% knockout rate at isang knockout loss ang ibibigay daw niya kay Magsayo.
Ganar por knockout. Win by knockout.
Whoa, he's predicting a knockout victory over Mark Magsayo.
2015 nang una itong naging world champion, kasunod ng kanyang pagkatalo noong 2016. 2017 naman ay napanalunan niya ang bakanting WBC Silver Super Bantamweight title.
Ceja!
Dalawang sunod nitong natikman ang pagkatalo kina Frank Manzanilla at kay Grino Grigundo noong taong 2018 at 2019. Bago tumabla sa kanyang huling laban sa undefeated American fighter na si Brandon Recohua para sa WBA World Super Bantamweight title.
It is a split decision draw.
Kaya naman hindi maitago sa Mexican fighter ang kasabihan nitong makalaban ng ating pambato, lalo ba't halos 2 taon itong nabakante. Ngayon susubukan namang gibain sa featherweight division si Magnifico Magsayo. Ngayon balikan natin ang naging laban ng ating kababayan kontra sa palaban ng Mexican fighter na si Julio Ceja. Nataas na o sinabi na knockout daw ang aabuti ng ating pambato sa laban. At alamin kung paano nga ba nagawang takutin ni Magsayo ang mga boxing fan na manonood sa kanilang laban. Matapos nitong mortal na pabagsakin si Ceja na nagpatayo sa karamihan sa kanilang mga inuupuan.
Mexican Julio Cesar Ceja waits over the last 12 years or so. We remember him for his trip to Doncaster many years ago against Jamie McDonnell. He's the former WBC Super Bantamweight champion. And
good shots.
how about that for a start from Magsayo? Well, we wanted something special and we might just get it within the opening 30 seconds. Julio Ceja on his backside and Magsayo exploding into this one, biggest test of his life, and he has started on a mission here.
Nagawang pabagsakin ni Magsayo ang Mexican fighter sa malinis na lip-hook sa unang round pa lamang ng kanilang bakbakan. Agad naman nakabawi si Ceja sa mga sunod na round at nagbigay ito ng pressure kay Magsayo at pipilitin na lang niya ni Magsayo na iwasan ang Mexicano.
Magsayo, which is where he's based for so much of the time at the infamous Wildcard Gym.
Good left hook there from Ceja.
As a fighter was undefeated when he came over to fight Jamie McDonnell. Brilliant win for the Doncaster man. Still got plenty about him. And he's recovered well, hasn't he? Just to apply a bit of pressure on Magsayo.
Yeah, I mean, this is a really good round here. It's round 2. Ceja landing good body shots, trying to stalk Magsayo. Good body work again.
Yeah, lovely.
Good left hook there as well from Seha. Feinted a jab, lead left hook.
The white and blue and the blue boots of Julio Ceja. 15 fights down the line more as a professional for Ceja. He's been a world champion. He's seen it and done it, and he's still ambitious, but he looks full of beans and fire here.
Yeah, I mean, you got to remember as well that draw with Brandon Figueroa. That was, I think, he failed to make the weight for the super bantamweight, but Figueroa, super bantamweight world champion.
Lovely shot. Yep, left to the body from Ceja.
Who's that left hook long? Really reaches right behind the back of the elbow.
Uppercut and a right hand as well from Ceja. Magsayo responds.
Sa round 5 ay tuloy lang sa kanyang pagsugod o pag-atake ni Ceja kay Magsayo. Na tila ba makikita na natin na tumutupi na ang ating kababayan na walang tigil ng pag-atake sa budiga ni Magsayo. Bagamat nagagawa naman ng Pinoy na pigilan ang tuloy-tuloy na opinsya ng Mexican fighter sa kanyang budiga. Palaban na naging kalaban ni Magsayo kung saan nakabawi ito sa ating pambato.
Yeah, definitely felt that. Did Magsayo. And Ceja will smell that. He'll know. He'll feel it in there. Right hand. He's looking very powerful here, Julio Ceja. Can Magsayo cope in the heat of battle?
I mean, Magsayo certainly having success himself, but I think what's really impressing me probably the most from Ceja,
who's trying to keep Ceja off him. Another body shot with the left hook from the Mexican.
Yeah, Ceja hurting Magsayo here. These body shots, he's mixing it.
Oh, down he goes! Magsayo! Clapperboard came in, and the bell will save him here, the young Filipino. But it's been a torrid round as Julio Ceja. But Julio Ceja got himself together quickly, dusted off the knockdown, and has come back to largely control this map.
Yeah, I think so. I mean, you know, you couldn't say Magsayo isn't in the fight. He's having success. He's landing some jabs, but
seen Carlos Castro in that really good opener. 9 Stone Brigade, and so much success back home in Galahad and Lee Wood.
Oh, good right hand.
Nice work that from Magsayo.
Yeah,
utilised his reach there, didn't he? And the fast right hands.
Yeah, timed that really well. Best shot he's landed for a while. Just slipped outside the jab and fired the right hand counter over the top. 3-punch combinations together, that was good. Left hook, right hand, left hook, and then spun up.
Withstand the pressure. We will find out a little bit later on. Here's the 9th.
It was a 10-8 round, obviously the first round to Magsayo, and I gave him the 7th. But other than that, it's been, I think Ceja's won everything on my card, and there was the 10-8 round in the 5th. So I've got him well ahead. Really well, and you know, that left uppercut, left hook, right uppercut combination, then that long left hook that he throws around the back.
I thought after 4 or 5 rounds he might fall apart, Magsayo, but he's withstood a great deal of punishment, especially downstairs underneath those elbows.
He had the power to really, to deter Ceja. Ceja just coming forward, no real respect for what's coming back at him. You know, and even
sa mga sumunod na umaatibong bakbakan ng dalawang boksingero, sa mga sumunod pa na round, tila kontrolado na siya ang tempo ng bakbakan. Epektibo mo ang pasugod na diskarte ng Mexican fighter para mapabagal si Magsayo sa laban. Naging matatag naman ang Pinoy fighter para makabawi ng lakas at pabaliktad ang sitwasyon ng bakbakan. Dito nagugulatin ni Mark Mandibi kung Magsayo ang mga manonood na siya nagpatayo sa upuan ng karamihan.
The ringside, Max DeLuca, Lisa Jampa and Don Trella.
I think Ceja's, been quite dominant.
He's boxed well, hasn't he?
Yeah.
Especially after the knockdown, but Magsayo can burst into life. Just leaning down on Ceja there. Crowd getting excited. That's what you need to see from Magsayo, don't you? Really quick, and a right hand has laid out Seha after a brilliant attack.
Ang panalo nito na magsayo kay Seha ang nagbigay sa ating kababayan ng WBO International Featherweight title. Bukod pa sa nakuha nitong karapatan hamunin bilang mandatory challenger ang WBC World Featherweight title na sa kasalukuyang kampyon na si Gary Randong Jr. Kasunod ng kanyang pagkapanalo, agad namang kinumusta ni Magsayo ang nakalabang Mexicano na nooy ligtas naman sa anumang kapahamakan. Na nooy nagpapalakas na lamang.
How is Seha?
Oh, he's good. Everything okay. Thanks, Captain.
Dito na po nagtatapos ang ating mahiwagang video. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Walang sawang suporta. Ikaw, idol, anong masasabi mo sa magandang performance pinakita ng ating bida sa videong ito? Para sa inyong opinion, i-comment mo niyan sa ating comment section sa ibaba. At kung nagustuhan mo naman ang video ito, paiwan naman ako ng like at pasubscribe na rin sa ating munting channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Sama kayo na rin lang, mag-ingat, God bless. Bye bye.